Hey guys, it's Katie with scrappingkatie.ctmh.com, and I'm going to walk you through the spring and summer Craft with Heart subscription from Close to My Heart. You can get it monthly for $17.95 per kit, and it's shipped to you each month for $4.95 shipping. Or you can get a 4-month subscription, which breaks down to $16.15 per kit. All 4 months are payable at the time of order. The best value is the 12-month subscription. You'll get 4 months at a time. It breaks down to $14.36 per kit, and you get free shipping. So I'm going to walk you through opening one of the boxes, and this is my subscription. I'm an annual subscriber, so I get 4 months at a time, much like the 4-month subscription does. So you'll get this pretty little box, and you'll just open it up. Again, I've just cut the tape with my scissors. Having a little trouble on that left side, so I'm going to cut that right quick. And I'm going to go through the 4 months, one of them in great detail, and then the other one just kind of show you what they look like. So as an annual subscriber, not only do I get free shipping on each box, but I also get 30 free prints from Persnickety Prints. And then each box also comes with this little card. It measures 5 by 7. It has all our social media information on the back. But you can use it on layouts. They usually match one of the paper packets used. This is one from a couple of subscriptions ago. And again, you can just use them like you want. If you want to throw them away, you can. But I know scrapbookers and we don't throw anything away. So I'm just going to pull these 4 months out. Again, this is for the spring and summer 2019 Craft with Heart subscription. These are 4 months, and I am going to walk you through May 2019. So if you're a monthly subscriber, this is what you would get if you subscribed in May. And so each month comes in that little package, and then it comes with this instruction sheet on the front. It always tells you what Close to My Heart paper packet it uses, and then it tells you layout 1 and all the instructions. And then it also gives you measurements, so where to put your photo mats, like 1 inch from the side and 1 3/4 from the bottom. Measurements like that, or you could go rogue and do whatever you want. Each subscription comes with photo mats, and those are just the placeholders, and then a sticker sheet. So it'll tell you these are for layout 1, and then these are for layout 2, and those are stickers. And then it comes with colored photo mats, already pre-cut. The front is a coordinating color, and the back is white. And then it comes with a die cut sheet. And again, it'll tell you which die cuts are for layout 1 and which are for layout 2. And as you can see, that cute little bunny with the wood veneer. It also comes with pre-printed base pages. So these are the pre-printed base pages for layout 1. And as you can see, the title Lovely is actually printed on there. It's just so pretty. It kind of just takes a lot of that difficulty out of your hands. Like you would have to cut that on a Cricut or something like that. This is for layout 2. And everything's pre-printed on there, the scallops. It even has stitching over there. And then, of course, the faux wood that's really popular now. And so then also each subscription each month comes with page protectors. So you will make your layouts, put your pictures on them, and then go ahead and put them in those page protectors and put them in your albums. So again, that's for May 2019. If you're a monthly subscriber, this is what you would get. If you subscribe annually or for the 4-month, this is one of the ones you would get. Now I'm just going to briefly go through June, July, and August just by showing you what the layouts look like. So I'm going to pull this one out, and it'll tell you that this is from True Love. And then this is what layout 1 looks like. And again, that heart is pre-printed on the base. And then layout 2. So whereas this paper packet's predominantly marriage, that bottom one kind of gives you an alternative to that. July's is using Into the Wild, which if you looked at our seasonal expressions, you would see that it's kind of geared toward baby boys, but it doesn't have to be. Even this layout that has this little cute baby boy on there, this could be travel, you know, that half It looks like you're looking down on the world from the North Pole. This bottom one's very outdoorsy, not necessarily camping, but you know, anything that little boys like to do, or if you went on a camping trip with your husband. And then these layouts, that bottom one has that gradient wood grain. And this has got to be one of my favorites out of the seasonal expressions too. And this one is for August, and it's using the Craft On line. Just bright, bold colors. You'll see this top layout. That blue and white stripe is just wonderful. That black scallop is actually printed on the layout base. And just, again, bright colors. Those flowers and stuff come from the die cuts and the stickers. And then that layout too, just imagine how much time it would take you to get that sun ray effect. And it's already pre-printed on the layout base for you. And so that's what the 4-month looks like. Again, if you're going to subscribe monthly, you would just get each month individually. If you subscribe annually, remember you get free shipping and 30 free persnickety prints. There's a code on the back. You'll just go upload your photos and have them printed and enter that code. And again, this is for faster, simpler, easier scrapbooking. I have some customers that just do it to catch up. If you have any questions, leave me a message or check out my website. Thanks.